I welcome you all to the CSIR-Crops Research Institute, where currently an advanced irrigation infrastructure has been established by the CGIAR Genetic Innovation Science Group, previously known as Excellence in Breeding. Our first stop is at the pump station, the heart of this transformative project.
So Dr. Beth, we started this thing around 2019 from with the support of the idea when back and forth. Finally, it's done. And this ceremony is supposed to let the vendor hand it over to CIR official so that we can use it. Maybe it's better to hear from you. Okay. What you have gone through and what you expect from us.
Good afternoon, all. My name is Csir-Cri. I'm the Irrigation Service Manager for IntraPlus. I think this project started for us with IITA since last year. We discussed about the project, forth and back until we agreed to start the installation this year. We start invitation, I think April. We came here in April, and everything was going. We finished almost in last month, but we have issue with the ATG. Forth and back until last week it's solved. So now the site is to be handed over. Our contractor EHP in Quito, who was the project manager installing the system here in the site. So we go through the system. What is the system? The components starting from the pump room. After we go to the site, you see the sprinkler, and I think you have some checklist. Go together, finalize it, and after I think we sign and it's done. And we'll be again maybe one time if you want to do the ceremony, you can come for the big ceremony for the media. But at least now just you can use the system.
At the pump station, Dr. Asante had these few comments to make.
System to us. So this is our pump house, and the irrigation system is we have a big field on my right here. We have up to 69 hectares of irrigated area. We are very excited about it. And we really thank EIP for this new irrigation system. It will go a long way to help in our work and to make our work more impactful.
Hey, good afternoon. This is Csir-Cri. I'm the Irrigation Service Manager from IntraPlus. Okay, today we want to talk about the system. Okay, this is the irrigation system for 35 hectares of sprinkler. So here what we have is the pump room. It's here we have the pump from KSD. It's ground. It's almost we speak about 150 cubic meter by 10 bar pressure. This is the filtration unit and filtration unit from Italy also. And we have the control panel here, one from the high control panel, systematic one. All of this pump room is including safety measurement, starting from safety food, valve in case pressure is going up and sometimes it goes with oven. We have also here just some safety also. This is generally the pump room for the system. Thank you. It's supposed to use the old pipe, and we recommend to use the new pipe. So all the system is new, nothing we use from the old system. All the pipe is new. Now it's going to the different field. Here we have the irrigation unit, and that's where we can move with the car.
Next, we move to the fields, where an array of advanced sprinklers is hard at work. These sprinklers ensure uniform water distribution, vital for healthy crop growth. This sophisticated irrigation system represents a blend of modern technology and sustainable practices, ensuring that our fields remain fertile and productive.
Or three, like you can still control. The design in the beginning is supposed to do it, operate by valve, operate this valve and everything together. But because here is research, maybe you don't need to operate all this area together. So that's we have the small valve. And you can run 1, 2, 3 as much you want to run in the system. And from there, like we have, each one we have a sprinkler. So that's, let's go to, this is dry area, it's okay, we can go. This is a component of the I don't know, you can check in during the BOQ, they say it base clam saddle. And this is the riser, and this is the sprinkler as a component. All the same. At the end of the line, we have empty block to block the line. If you want to walk at the end, we can show you how some
Our journey continues to the next station. This station works in tandem with the first, creating a network of water management that adapts to the needs of our crops and the environment. Together, these stations ensure that the irrigation system operates smoothly, providing a steady and controlled water supply.
Where is it linked to the main pipe? From here, where does it go into the main pipe?
It's going through here.
Yes.
One through here, one from there. And one on each field, different tube.
Now, we arrive at the final stop of our tour, the office of Dr. Enes Berfi, the Acting Director of CSIR-Crops Research Institute. Here, the vision becomes reality as Dr. Berfi signs the final documents, officially inaugurating this state-of-the-art irrigation system. This moment signifies a new era for CSIR-Crops Research Institute, one where innovation meets sustainability, and where our commitment to advancing agricultural practices shines through.
There's a green light, and that's the system behind the program by the contractor, which the procedure was to EIB, and EIB will hand the program on to us. But because of other things which are not going through yet, it's economically unwise for EIB to come. Therefore, the ceremonial aspect of the irrigation and program cannot be for the other equipment. And so EIB has requested that Dr. Asante, their focal person, represents him in the handover of the irrigation system. And so this morning, I met this morning today, when I met engineer Dr. Patricia, I indicated to him, and I think since last week, that personally I always identify my inadequacies and then make up. Now, as far as the irrigation is concerned, she is the eye of the institute. It's like task care, do all the necessary validation, and when the ceremonial aspect is due, then I'm informed. So not long ago, about 10 minutes ago, I was informed you have visited the pump site, you visited the mitigation site, you also came to the field itself to see how the system is also working. And our irrigation team led by Dr. Patricia has validated and certified everything. And so, present here, I've already introduced Dr. Asante. I'll leave Dr. Asante because, in fact, I find it difficult to get your names. I've always been using CSIR. So I'll leave Dr. Asante to introduce the contractors. But from our side, representing management now, I'm the lead acting director. My name is Elizabeth. The head of administration is on official duties. So you also requested his assistant, who is also a senior administrative officer, Madam Hidasam, to represent him. Then the head of finance is also on official duty. So he also requested this assistant, Mr. Ramon, to also represent him. So I want to assure EIB and you that the current management, top management, is represented in this meeting. And you also, before the director left to be with his maker, he has reasoned with management and set up a committee that should be in charge of the use and management and maintenance as well of the irrigation facility. So I will end here, having let my ask you why you are here, and then Dr. Asante can proceed and introduce you.
Faris, the full name is what? I always call
Yeah, good. Faris Alayyad. I'm the irrigation manager from Interplus.
and then Kito. So you can also mention your full name.
Into Tarifa,
Okay.
EHP hybrid systems, the traffic installation.
Yeah.
I'm involved with the projects installation.
Yeah. Okay. So they were the contractors that EIB settled on. In fact, they started with so many different vendors, and then eventually they settled on them. And as Dr. Becky has said, we are done with everything. We are here to do the handing over so that the institute can start using this.
that something goes here. Probably a handshake from the contractor to Max, a handshake from Max to me, a handshake from you to me. So,
Oh, we can do like this time.
And then when are we going to sign?
it's after the signing.
Yes.
After the signing.
The signing is almost the
handover.
Okay. Because after the signing, you more like you exchange.
But you only have two of the documents.
We can give you the last one to use it.
So, Dr. Chair, that's Dr. Sylvester Adi. We used to have about 40-acre irrigable land, which through EIB, now we have, if I should put it, refurbished the 40 and expanded 29 more, 24 from the EIB. I, on behalf of management and staff, would want to hand it over to you and your committee. And I want to urge you that you have been entrusted with the sustainability of the system and help the institute so that the brand of EIB will continue to be in that field so long as we all be alive for the next generation also to come. So a legacy of EIB is in your hands now. Thank you very much. The management and staff of the CSIR-Crops Research Institute, Ghana, we are happy today, the 6th day of August 2024, expressing our joy to the Excellence in Breeding program or project for the investment that they have made on our campus, which is 69 acres or almost 28 hectares of irrigable land. This facility would help us to carry out all year-round research activities. And it will also help us in a long way to also have credible data as far as irrigation is concerned, to also share with our client and the nation in general. So we are very grateful, and we hope that this will not be the last. Our collaboration will continue, and anytime there are good things from EIB, crop research will be in the mind and the thought of EIB. Thank you so much.
With the completion of this project, we look forward to a future of abundant harvest and resilient farming communities. Thanks to the collaborative efforts of CGIAR Genetic Innovation Science Group, Interplast, and a dedicated team at CSIR-Crops Research Institute, we are paving the way for sustainable agriculture in Ghana and beyond. Join us as we continue to innovate, grow, and sustain CSIR-Crops Research Institute, where science meets the soil.